Mom, why do these apples look shinier than the others?
Well, Janvi, it's because they are freshly picked. See, their color is brighter and they have a crisp texture. This means they're ripe and full of flavor.
But what about these dull ones? Are they bad?
Not necessarily bad, Janvi. Just not as fresh as the earlier ones. They might have been sitting out for longer, which can affect their taste and texture.
I got it, Mom.
By the way, Janvi, when you compared the apples, you were using a form of comparison.
What is the comparison, Mom?
When we compare two things, we often add er to one of the words or use more or than to show the difference.
Oh, I see, Mom. Mom, can you give me more examples of comparisons?
Of course, Janvi. Here are some examples. A basketball is bigger than a cricket ball. A giraffe is taller than a
Zebra.
The quiz is more important than the match. Reena's sandals are more beautiful than Zenab's sandals. These sentences show a comparison between two different things.
Okay, Mom. It's so interesting.